Diaper bag and mini rash cream applicator with by Baby Bum Brush is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Wristlet plus refillable holder. Just grab and go. This diaper clutch features a convenient wristlet. The wristlet is made of fox leather. The silver or gold hook allows you to wrap the clutch around your car seat, stroller, or onto your diaper carrier bag. The back includes a zipper pouch which is great for baby poop bags like the manufacturer's diaper changing glove sacks. Buy a box of baby wipes in bulk, and then use them to refill the reusable wipes pouch included with the clutch. Fun, portable size. The manufacturer's diaper clutch will fit nicely in your diaper bag or tote without taking up much space. It will act as a diaper bag organizer insert, keeping your cleaning wipes, diapers, and other belongings tight and compact. You can also store it in your car or stroller. Baby Bum Go's diaper clutch will cover all your infant toiletry carrying needs. It measures 10 inches by 7.25 inches. Not just for mommy. Men love it too. Great for dad to grab when he takes the baby out. Durable material. You carry your baby's toiletries with you everywhere. That's why you need a dependable diaper bag. The manufacturer's diaper clutch is made from 100% polyester. Its sturdy construction will give you years of use, making it long-lasting. It is also easy to clean. The clutch is machine washable. Just remove the straps, and toss it into the washer, and you're all set. Gentle for boy and girl baby's skin, the manufacturer invented the Baby Bum Brush to gently apply ointment to my own little boy and girl's sensitive skin. Diaper cream creates a thick barrier for protecting sensitive skin and healing a diaper rash. Keep your fingers clean from diaper cream with the original mom-invented Baby Bum Brush. Small and portable. This brush measures at approximately 4 inches, making it the perfect size for travel. Use with Decidin, butt paste, Aquaphor, Honest, Drive Smiths, Vaseline, Natural, or any of your favorite moisturizer barrier cream. Just toss in your diaper bag, and go. Great for bringing in with you into public restrooms when you need to use the changing table. The head of the applicator will never touch the changing station tray thanks to the firm suction cup base.